Hello everybody, Brad Johnson here, and I'm very excited to announce that coming in mid-February we have an exciting energy healing webinar weekend taking place. On Saturday, February 17th, I'm going to be hosting an online webinar that is called Energy Seals Workshop, and this is all about advanced forms of light circuitry, working together with the science and nature of talismans, also working together with creating your own chakra centers, and looking into a deeper aspect of astral technology, and being able to develop profound healing techniques through the means of these energy seals. So again, as I've talked about before, with astral creations, with light circuitry, with new concepts that are going to come together, we're going to be sharing some really fantastic ideas, some new methods and techniques that will help in further emotional, mental, physical, and spiritual well-being. So that is Energy Seals Workshop happening on February 17th, starting at 12 p.m. Pacific, 3 p.m. Eastern. On Sunday, February 18th, I have a special guest who is going to be presenting through New Earth Teachings, New Earth Academy, and that is Jason Quitt. His website is thecrystalsun.com. He is extremely proficient with understanding a great deal, a great spectrum as it relates to universal energy healing. So he's going to be sharing a great amount of his knowledge relating to energy healing, what he has personally discovered, and it's going to be a really, really exciting event. And so this is going to be happening on Sunday, February 18th. So you can go to the link below in the video description, and you'll notice that there is a special webinar package that's available. You can attend both my event on Saturday and Jason's event on Sunday, and again they are combined, and it is $33 for both of those events. And again, this is going to be cutting edge, never revealed before information shared through these webinars, through New Earth Teachings and New Earth Academy as well too. So again, feel free to check this out. You can go to the website below. Separately, they are $19.99. So again, go ahead and check it out. We're going to have some really amazing interaction. There's going to be Q&A as well too, both through my webinar and through Jason's as well. This is going to be a really unforgettable weekend happening in mid-February. Again, energy seals and universal energy healing. Go ahead and check it out, and I look forward to speaking to you in that time of mid-February. Thank you so much. Take care, and I'll see you again in another perspective of the now. Namaste, and may it be well with you. Thank you everybody for tuning in to New Earth Teachings YouTube channel. Please feel free to visit our website, newearthteachings.com. Private sessions, digital courses, blog, free media, and a lot more. Again, newearthteachings.com. Thank you so much, and I look forward to speaking to you again in the next video. Take care.